Hello and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. I'm Stephanie and I'm glad you're here. If you've ever felt like your home should be beautiful and work for the actual life you're living right now, then you're in the right place. Now today we're styling my coffee station for spring. Now I did purchase a couple of new items this year and I did a little tweaking, so I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to stop chatting and get to work.
That's my cue. You and me is like perfection. I've been loving our progression, but I gotta make a confession, no. Lately I've been having questions, oh. See, I've been missing your affection, and this kinda reminds me of the last one. Maybe it's time I learn my lesson, no. Maybe step back from my protection, no. Tell me.
Now let's get a close-up of all that work. Now I know you saw me fighting with this container. It's my creamer, and I had it placed next to the cocoa machine, and I shook my head, and you saw I moved it over to where the coffee station part is. Now if you saw my haul, then you know where I purchased the canisters. I did a haul a couple of days ago. I will link that in the iCard above. Everything else on here I already had in my stash. Now I used some eucalyptus leaves to do the plant behind the larger rabbit. And the green coffee mugs, I had those for when I did the Grinch Christmas a few years back for my grandkids. Now I thought this came out rather, as my mother would say, nifty. I did something a little different out the box than normal for me. But overall, I think it came out looking very good for spring and Easter. And I really have fun coming up with this concept of using the pink and the greens. And then also I used the tulips in the little flower pot that I always have up here. So I think overall, it came out really springy. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you feel inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfect for you, without breaking the bank, of course. Don't forget, you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I love to connect with you there. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me. Bye-bye.